అందరికి నమస్కారం అండి. ఎలా ఉన్నారా మీరు? బాగున్నారా? ఇప్పుడు అబ్సల్యూట్లీ కదా మన డార్లింగ్. సో ఈ రాజా సాబ్ మూవీ ఒక అబ్సల్యూట్ ఎంటర్టైనర్ ఉంది. థ్యాంక్ యూ మారుతి గారు ఫర్ షోయింగ్ our డార్లింగ్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ యాజ్ హీ is. I think Maruti sir has done an incredible job in bringing out all the details that Prabhas Garu has and put them in Raja Saab and made him into an absolute darling in the film. Can't wait for you all to watch it, enjoy the film and enjoy your lovely darling, Prabhas. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. And Malavika Mohan Garu.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. హలో రిబెల్స్. ఈరోజు నా లైఫ్లో చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఐఎమ్ పర్సనలీ వెరీ ఎక్సైటెడ్ ఫర్ దిస్ ఈవినింగ్. నాకు తెలుగు ఇండస్ట్రీ అంటే చాలా ఇష్టం, చాలా రెస్పెక్ట్. It was my dream to make my Telugu debut with a very special film, but I didn't ever imagine I would be making my debut opposite India's biggest superstar. Fans ki aina darling, fans ki aina rebel god. Naku matram Raja Saab, Prabhas sir, it's been an absolute honor sharing the screen with you and to know you as a person. You're one of the sweetest people I've ever worked with, and thank you for that. Maruti sir, thank you for giving me Bhairavi. Most directors give their actresses song and romance only. You have given me song, romance, comedy, drama and action in a movie which has the action king. So thank you for that. Big thank you to the entire cast, my lovely co-actors. We had a really fun time together. Thank you Vishwa Prasad Garu. Thank you SKN Garu, the sensational SKN Garu. Thank you to Maruti sir's lovely family, Hiya, who has worked with sir on Raja Saab and who's become a lovely friend. Thank you to the DOP Karthik sir, the entire team that made 3 years of hard work possible. Raja Saab is a movie with mass, dance, comedy, romance and lots of action. Please go watch it on 9 Jan and I promise you, you will love it. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. We will surely watch it. ఎందుకంటే we like celebrating films కాబట్టి. అన్నది
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. టుడే ఐ హ్యావ్ సమ్ హెల్ప్, ప్లీజ్ డోంట్ మైండ్ బికాస్ నాకు అన్నీ చెప్పాలి ఈసారి. సో అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ఇండియాస్ బిగ్గెస్ట్ సూపర్ స్టార్ ఫ్యాన్స్కి నమస్కారం. Prabhas sir, it was a dream come true working with you. You're the sweetest and kindest person. You deserve all the success and love in the world. And గల్లీలో ఎవరైనా 6 కొడతారు, కానీ స్టేడియంలో కొట్టేవాడికి ఒక రేంజ్ ఉంటుంది. And that is you sir. Thank you Maruti sir for giving me Bessie. Sir, మీతో ప్రతిరోజు పండగే. So I've had a lovely time shooting with you. Comedy King Satya, Srinu Garu, Saptagiri Garu, VTV Ganesh sir, thank you for making the shoot so much fun for me. Malvika and Riddhi, it was lovely working with you. All the best for everything. Taman, the man. I worked with you before and all my favorite songs are with you. So thank you, and I cannot wait to see what you do with the BGM. Thank you to our viral star SKN sir for all the love and support for the film. And thank you to Hiya and Nihita for all the love. And Vishwa Garu, you're a dream producer. It was lovely working with you. Thank you, love you all.
Thank you so much, Nidhi. And Nidhi had something else to say.
I just realized that I wasn't prepared enough. So I didn't get to thank everyone who made it possible for me to stand here. First and foremost, thank you so much, Prabhas. I'm here because of you. You took me in the film. I'm wearing the sari that you gave me. And I saved it for 3 years just to wear it tonight. And I'm so grateful to have you in my life. Thank you, Maruti sir. You came to Bombay to cast me. And SKN Garu, who's there with Maruti sir, thank you so much. You're the first few people I met on this film. Vishwa Prasad Garu, thank you so much again. You gave our film help not just as a producer, but also with time. You gave it so much time, and we will give you 10 times more with all the work that we've put in. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you to Marti sir's wife. Thank you to all the ladies present here, Nihita, Hiya, who have put in their heart and soul for the film. And every single Rebel fan, because you all make it possible for the films to do well. Thank you so much. And thanks for the mic.
Thank you so much, Riddhi. Your speech was beautiful and your sari is more beautiful. Prabhas garu, pandakki నాకు కూడా ఒక చీర వెయిటింగ్ ఇక్కడ. And ladies, you all have done such a wonderful job in the movie. I know it's not easy, the shooting days, all the hard work that you all put into. So respect all your work. Great job. Looking forward to seeing you all on January 9th. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yes, requesting you all to please be seated. నిధి చీరలోనే చాలా నిధులు ఉన్నట్టున్నాయి. ఎస్, రత్నం మణిమాయ ఖచ్చితాలంకృతమైనటువంటి డ్రెస్సు, సూపర్బ్. అండ్ thank you so much once again. So Shreyas Future City proudly presents the pre-release event of Raja Saab, powered by KLM Fashion Mall.